All right, so you asked about division with the stamp game. I'm going to show you just in many steps. The first step is just basic static division. And if you don't know what static is, it's where you don't have to change out 1,000 for 10 hundreds. And if that doesn't make much sense, it will in a little bit, maybe in the next video. We're gonna come up with a simple static problem here. By the way, I'm just using a regular piece of paper for this. Sorry about that. I only have enough for my class tomorrow, so I'm not gonna waste it on this. So I'm just gonna 3,639 divided by 3. And so what I have to do first is make this 3,639. So I get 3,000s. I'm doing this all on my phone, so this is kind of awkward. So if I don't put everything perfectly, I apologize. 600. So I need 600s. It's 1, 2, 3. By the way, when you show this, show it so they're all up, but the children might not do it this way. They might have it like that, and that's okay. But when you do it, just make sure it's as ordered and clear as possible. 5, 6, okay. I need 30, 5,630, so I need 30. 10, 20, 30, and then I need 9. So 1, 2. I wish I didn't tell you to do it this way, because then I just still do it to 3. But it is better to do it this way, so it's as clear as it can possibly be. 4. I'm trying to talk too much. That's 5, 6. Sorry, my numbers are worn off. This is an old stamp game. 7, 8, 9. You probably have a much nicer stamp game that has smaller tiles and more of them. All right, so it's divided by 3. So I'm gonna grab 3 of the green, these are called Skittles. You can call them whatever you want, I guess. But technically they're called Skittles. When we get to fractions, that's important, but if I call them people or whatever, I don't care. 1, 2, 3. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and divide up. What I have to do is give everybody the same amount. So this Skittle gets 1,000, this gets 1,000, and this gets 1,000. Then I could do the same with the hundreds. 100, 100, 100, 100. Sorry, I'm holding my phone and doing this at the same time, like my hairy arms. 100, 100. Now I'll do the 10s. I'm talking about my fingernails that I bite. All right. Then I'll do the 1s. So the question is, how much does each one Skittle get? Well, everybody gets 1,000, 200, 110, and 3 1s. So the answer is 1,000. So I'm looking at my phone and trying to write 200, 110, and 3 1s. So 3,639 divided by 3 equals 1,213. I'm going to show you a dynamic addition with just using the 1s. 1 Skittle. I didn't mean to crash them all to the floor. Not my intention. There we go. There they all are. It's just hard holding the phone and doing this at the same time. But this is all with ones so far. The next one I'm going to do is going to be with ones also, but it's going to be what we call dynamic division. And I'll show you that in a little bit.